Oh, I bet you two are here for the party, right?
Oh, yeah. We followed the candy trail, but it just stopped right here, at the couch.
Well, that's because there are a few things we have to do before the party can start.
Like what?
Like, make a Kitty-Tine's Day song.
We get to make a song?
Whoa, whoa, whoa now, it's not just any song. We're gonna make a tushy tune. Now I'll sing the first part and you'll find the rhyme with your tushy.
Tushy tunes, tushy tunes, tushy tunes.
All right now, get those tushies ready. It's rhyming time. You're up, Gabby. Find me a rhyme. Oh, Gabby girl, you've got style. I meow the way you smile.
Dance.
Which word rhymes with style? Smile or dance? Smile, yeah!
Oh, Gabby girl, you've got style. I meow the way you smile.
Thanks, DJ Catnip.
Here, Pandy, why don't you sing a little something and I'll find a rhyme.
Okay. Oh, I got it. DJ Catnip makes me giggle. I meow the way you
Boogie, wiggle. Which word rhymes with giggle? Boogie or wiggle? Wiggle, yeah, I do love to wiggle.
DJ Catnip makes me giggle. I meow the way you
Wiggle! Woohoo! Ha-ha! You know it!
A wiggly wiggly wig!
Okay, Pandy, it's your tushy turn. Gabby, do you want to try singing this last one about Pandy?
I'll give it a go.
Ha-ha! That's the catitude.
Pandy paws your snuggle bag. I meow the way you
Hide, bake, hug.
Ooh, this is a tushy tune toughie. Which word rhymes with bug? Hide, bake, or hug? Hug! Hug rhymes with bug. We did it!
Pandy paws your snuggle bag. I meow the way you hug. Woo! I definitely meow a Pandy hug. Hug on in here, DJ.
Oh,